Ever wondered how your car knows how much gas to give when you press the accelerator? It's all thanks to a little device called the Throttle Position Sensor. This clever piece of tech lives near your car's throttle body, acting like the car's brain. It adjusts the amount of air entering your engine based on how hard you're pressing the accelerator. It's a crucial part of your vehicle's fuel system, ensuring optimal engine performance. So, in a nutshell, the throttle position sensor is the middleman between your foot and your car's engine. Now, how does this little device work? Let's dive right into the mechanics of the throttle position sensor. This sensor is essentially a potentiometer, a type of resistor that modifies electrical resistance based on the position of a mechanical device. In this case, the device is the throttle valve, which moves when you press the accelerator pedal. As you press down on the pedal, the throttle valve opens, and the position sensor registers this movement. It then sends this information as a voltage signal to your car's computer, also known as the engine control unit, or ECU for short. Now, why is this important? Well, the ECU uses this data to determine how much fuel needs to be mixed with the air in the engine to provide the right amount of power for your acceleration needs. Therefore, the throttle position sensor is crucial in ensuring your car runs smoothly and efficiently. What happens if the throttle position sensor malfunctions? Well, you might notice your car having a rough time idling, or it might struggle to accelerate smoothly. Your vehicle could also start guzzling fuel at an alarming rate. These are common signs of a faulty throttle position sensor. It's crucial not to ignore these symptoms, as they could lead to further damage to your vehicle. Remember, a well-functioning throttle position sensor is key to a smooth and efficient driving experience.